every consultation. We try to guide our patients, but when we explain with words alone, the path forward becomes confusing. Add models and demonstration, and the journey becomes harder to follow. Show them X-rays, and suddenly the entire treatment plan feels like a giant maze with no clear direction. But with one simple tool, your explanations shift from abstract to crystal clear. Every step, every option, every outcome is laid out visually, allowing patients to follow the treatment journey with confidence and see a clear, guided road ahead. DentalMaster. Clear roads, clear choices.